Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a trending supplement called Echoxen, made to support your hearing naturally. If you're dealing with the ringing ears, ear pressure, or just want to protect your hearing health, this video is for you. Echoxen is a liquid hearing support formula packed with herbs, zinc, and vitamins. It's marketed as a natural way to support the health of your ears, especially as you age. Some of the key ingredients are zinc for immunity and ear health, vitamin B complex, known to support nerves, herbal extracts like peppermint and ginkgo, which help circulation. I did a deep dive on the formula and reviews. While it's not a miracle cure, many people say it's helped reduce ringing and pressure. If you're looking for a natural alternative before trying medication, this might be worth trying. If you're under 30 or don't have hearing issues, this might not be for you. But if you're over 40 or dealing with early hearing decline or tinnitus, it could be helpful. Just don't expect instant results. Use it consistently. If you want to try Echoxen, I've added a link below with a special discount. And if you've already tried it, let me know your results in the comments. Thank you.